Holiday Inn and Suites Dubai Festival City is a four-star hotel conveniently located 10 to 15 minutes drive from Dubai International Airport. This hotel has 19 floors and around 496 rooms. This hotel has 6 meeting rooms with 365 being the maximum seating capacity of the largest room. The rooms are spacious and very comfortable. The staffs were very kind, helpful and attentive. Please note that the pets are not allowed at this hotel. There are many dining options like Sirocco, Zest, Joy's Backyard and Z Garden. Kids aged 12 and under stay for free when sharing their parents' room. Fitness center is open from 8 am to 10 pm. Swimming pools are also available in this property. There is also a direct access from this hotel to the Festival City Mall. The mall has 500 plus stores and includes banks, dining options and shops like IKEA, Carrefour, Lulu Hypermarket and so on.